In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Elementor. Adding images is a crucial aspect of web design, and with Elementor, it's a straightforward process that's both intuitive and efficient. We'll walk through the entire procedure, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate engaging visuals into your website. First, make sure you've logged into your WordPress dashboard. This step is essential, as you won't be able to access Elementor without it. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the specific page or post where you'd like to add an image. Simply hover over the sidebar menu on the left until you find Pages or Posts, depending on your needs, and click on the appropriate option. After selecting a page or post to edit, you'll see an Edit with Elementor button. Click this button, and it'll take you into the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens. The interface is user-friendly and highly responsive, making it perfect for all your design tasks. Within this editor, you'll notice a panel on the left side. This panel contains all the widgets and settings available in Elementor. To insert an image, go to the panel and look for the image widget. You can easily spot it, as the widgets are well labeled and organized. Once you've found the image widget, drag and drop it onto the desired section of your page. This section is often referred to as the canvas, and it's where your design will come to life. Take a moment to adjust the image placement if necessary to ensure it aligns with your overall design vision. With the image widget now on the page, you'll want to select your image. Click on the placeholder image, and this action will open the WordPress media library. Here, you can either choose an existing image from your library or upload a new one directly from your computer. Consider using high-quality images that reflect your brand and message. Once your image is inserted, you can further customize it to fit your specific needs. On the left panel, you'll see various options for adjusting image size, alignment, and even adding captions. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect look for your design. Don't forget, the preview option in Elementor lets you see the changes in real time, so you can easily make adjustments without hassle. Lastly, when you're satisfied with the placement and customization of your image, just hit the Update button to save your changes. This ensures that your latest work is published for your audience to enjoy. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your web page using Elementor. This skill empowers you to create visually appealing web pages that captivate your audience. Make sure to explore other widgets and features Elementor offers to further enhance your web design projects. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing!